Hello everyone, welcome to First Step Tech, your first step into the world of computers. In this video series, we will take you from knowing nothing about computers to becoming confident in using them. This is a beginner-friendly space, whether you are a school student or a teacher. Let's begin our journey today with a very basic but important question. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. It is designed to take in data, process it, and give you the result. This happens in 3 steps. Input, you give instructions like typing something using the keyboard. Processing, the computer works on your instruction using its CPU. Output, it shows the result on the monitor or prints it on a paper. So, a computer is not just a box. It is a smart tool that helps us solve problems, create things, and learn. Let's understand the main parts of a basic computer. Monitor. This is like a TV screen. It shows what you are doing, like pictures, videos, or writing. Keyboard. This helps you type words, numbers, or commands. It is a main input device. Mouse. A small device that lets you click, drag, and open files on the screen. CPU, the central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. Every action you take is processed here. All these work together to make your computer useful. Even laptops have the same parts built in. Now, why it is called a computer? Because it comes from a word compute, which means to calculate or do mathematics. Early, computers were only used for solving large math problems, but now computers can do much more than just maths, like watching videos, editing photos, making presentation, and even talking to people around the world. Let's look at the types of computers around us. Desktop. It is a big computer placed on a table, used in schools, homes, and offices. Laptop, smaller and portable, easy to carry and use anywhere. Smartphones and tablets. These are also computers. They can browse, play games, call, and do everything a basic computer does. Servers and supercomputers. These are very powerful and used in big companies, space research, and hospitals. Even a simple smartwatch or voice assistant like Alexa is a type of computer. Computers can do amazing things. Here are just a few. Typing and editing, calculating, gaming, designing, browsing, communication, and storage. Let's look at where computers are used in real life. In schools, teachers use them for smart classes and online tests. In hospitals, doctors check reports, scan records using computers. In bank and ATMs for money transfer, updating account. In railway station and airports for booking tickets and checking schedules. In shops and malls, billing and managing inventory. So computers are not just at home or schools, they are everywhere. Great! Let's recap what we have learned today. A computer is an electronic device that processes data. It works on input, process, output cycle. Main parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Computers come in many forms like desktops, laptops, phone. They are used in schools, hospital, and more. Common action: typing, saving, browsing, and calculating. You have already covered so much in just one lesson. Congratulations! You have taken your first step into understanding computers. From today, you are no longer a beginner, you are a learner. In the next video, we will explore the different types of software and understand the difference between system software and application software. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite thing about computers. This is First Step Tech, where learning is just one click away.